So I have here leftover chicken from Costco. I just boiled it, and I'm going to add some white onion, ginger, and green onions. Mix it in. This is for, I'm gonna use the broth. So the point of this is to get the broth. You know, this still has some flavors in it.
Add chicken bouillon nor seasoning. Simmer it for 7 to 10 minutes just to take the flavors out. And then we'll add some vegetables.
Alright, let's check. Okay, that looks good. We're gonna add carrots in here. I have mushroom and chayote. Let's mix it first, and let's cover. Alright, let's add some green vegetables in here. Alright, let's check. Oh yeah, that is cooked. So let's take out the vegetables and use the broth to cook the black rice. So now I'm going to add butter, a little butter, give it more taste. Let's add the black rice. One and a half cup of black rice. We're just gonna cover it, let it cook. It's like cooking a rice, but this one has a flavorful broth. Alright, let's check it out. Oh yeah, that is perfect. So the rice is done. Let's turn it out. I have here a fresh Atlantic salmon with the skin. Right there. I like the skin too, so we're gonna keep the skin there. So let's try to put some lemon juice in here. Get rid of the smell and gives a little flavor too, additional flavor. Okay. Now I have here garlic and rosemary sea salt. We're gonna use this one. Okay. This one has garlic and pepper in it, so let's just put a little bit. We don't want it to overdo. And we have a lemon pepper. Just a little bit. You want to make sure to rub that one, including the side. Okay, so we're going to transfer this one. I think I'm going to do both sides also. Both sides. We'll coat it with flour. And You see, when you sear it, you're also browning the flour, and that gives you a really nice sauce later once you add a little liquid into it. And so it gives you two purposes. One is to keep the moisture, which is you really want the salmon to be soft and moist, so that's one. And the second one is it gives a nice thick flavor later in the sauce. Okay, so let's start searing it. I already put olive oil in there. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of the butter. Just let it mix. Now, by the way, this is the one, the utensil that comes with this new pan that I have, so I'm using it. It's a really good one. You see how it's actually shaped? It's perfect. So I'll mix the olive oil and a little butter. All right, let's turn it on its side. Oh yes, that's exactly what I wanted to be. Just a perfect brown. Okay, let's cook it for another, on one side another 2 minutes, and we'll see after 2 minutes. All right, I think the salmon is cooked. I'm going to take this out. And let's saute some onions and garlic in here. Let's put a little more flour in here. Let's brown more flour. Make our sauce a little thicker. And what I have here, remember we cooked our rice, the black rice? I actually took some of the liquid out. So that's really good with the broth and a little butter and all the other vegetables that we put in. So there's so much flavor in here. So what I'm going to do is I'll add it in here to make the sauce. So this is for our sauce for the salmon. And it has a really nice purple color. It comes out from our black rice. Okay. All right, so our sauce is thickened already, as you can see. I'm just gonna add the salmon back because I still need to do one more thing. I'm gonna add the salmon here, and I will put some cheese on top. All right, I have here mozzarella cheese. We're gonna just put it right on top to let it melt. And let's put Parmesan, grated Parmesan, right there on top. Gives it. And now we're covering it to let it melt. So in that way, it's not gonna get so, the salmon will not get so tough, but it still is moist because we're covering it and keep the moist inside. Let's check. Oh, that's perfect. So the mozzarella and Parmesan cheese, the mozzarella is already melted, so that's ready. All right, it's plating time. So let's put our vegetables that we cooked earlier together with the rice. So let's just use it to decorate. But of course, not just decorate, but we're gonna savor all the goodness from the sauce since it soaked it up earlier. Put this one over here. let's put some carrots. That side. The salmon back. Let's put our salmon in our. I hope it's a perfect size. Ooh, that's muy perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Top with Parmesan and mozzarella cheese, and the sauce is actually the sauce from the rice with so much flavor in it.
I hope you had a great time cooking with me, and if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone, and thank you all for watching.
This is what it looks like after it's being devoured. Look how juicy it is. Look how juicy. You see, when I cut it, it's so soft and juicy. My goodness. A perfect salmon